Hey there, beautiful peoples. Today we are talking about something that can turns your place into a comfy paradise. Lights. You know those little things hanging from your ceiling or sitting on your bedside table. But here the deal. They are not just bulbs, they are mood makers. Ever walked into the room and felt, wow, this place feels so cozy? That is the magic of lights, and we are about to unveil the secret. So, if you have ever wondered how to make your home sparkle a bit more, you are in the right spot. Now, don't worry if you are not a lightning expert. We are not diving into complex stuff, just everyday tips and tricks to make your space feel like a warm hug. Lights can do more than just brighten a room. They are set off the vibe, create a chill atmosphere, or even make your tiny apartment look like a Pinterest dream. So grab a copa, sit back, and let's explore how to turn your home into a haven of light and coziness. Ready? Let's get started. Alright, let's break it down. Imagine you walk into a room and it just feels good. No too bright, no too dim. Just right. That is the power of lightning, my friends. We are not talking about fancy, hard to pronounce bulbs. We are talking about the ones you use every day. Lights do more than just making things visible, they create a vibe, a feeling in the air. So, why do lights matter? Well, think about it this way. Have you ever been in the place with harsh, glaring lights? It is not the coziest, right? Now close your eyes and picture a room with soft, warm lights. Feels different, does not it? Lights can turn a plain space into a welcome nook. We are going to chat about how these little things hanging your ceiling and sitting on your bedside table can make your home feel like a comforting sanctuary. Stick with us and let's uncover why choosing the right lights is like adding a sprinkle of magic to your living spaces. Now let's chat about picking the perfect lights for your place. No fancy jargons, just good all common senses. You walk into the store and there they are, bulbs, fairy lights or those fancy LED strips. Feeling a bit overwhelmed? Don't stress, we are here to guide you through this light maze. First thing, first think about the vibe you want. Are you in the that warm, cozy feel or do you prefer a bright and energetic atmosphere? Different lights do different things, but it is not complicated. We all break it down so you know exactly what to grab for your living room chill out zone or your bedroom sanctuary. Plus, we have got some insiders tips on how to have energy because who doesn't want a cozy home without a crazy electricity bill? Stick around and let's make you sure live with the perfect lights for your unique style. Alright, let's chat about making your place look fancy without breaking the bank. Daylight decors. Ever thought about turning everyday stuff into cool light features? Well, that is what you are getting into. First off, you don't need to be a craft wizard for this. We are talking simple, fun project. Think fairy lights in monsoon jars or creating your own custom lampshades. It is like giving your home a personal touch, and trust me, it is easier than it sounds. We will guide you through step by step using things you probably already have laying around. So get ready to impress your friends with your newfound decorating skills. Dye styles. Alright, let's talk about making your place feel like the ultimate chill spot. You ever notice how some places just have the vibe perfect. Well, it is not all about the furniture. Lights play a big role too. We are diving into how you can set the mood into your home, and trust me, it is easier than picking your favorite snack. First thing, first, it is not about having super bright and super dim light. It is find that sweet spot. Picture this soft, warm glow and makes you go ah when you walk in. We will chat about the different vibes you can create, from a cozy reading nook to a movie night haven. Ever wondered how restaurants get the perfect atmosphere? Hint, it is just a food. Stick around and we will spill the beans on how to make your place the go to spot for good vibes. Ready to turn your home into a relaxation zone? Let's make it happen. Okay, so we are covered why lights matter and how to pick the right ones. Now let's talk about something fun. Customizing light for different rooms. It is like giving each space its own personality. First up, your living room. This is where you chill with friends and family, right? So softer, warmer lights work wonders. Think cozy movie night for the bedroom. Consider something soothing. Maybe fairy lights for that dreamy vibe. Now the kitchen is a bit different. You need bright lights for slicing and dicing, making it look all profesh. We will guide you through these tweaks for each room, making sure your home feels just right in every nook and cranny. Imagine this your lights playing matchmaker with each room's purpose. We will share super easy tricks to make your space feel just the way on your want them. And hey, no need for fancy budget or complicated setups. Just some clever tips that will make your home shine in all the right ways. Stay tuned and let's make every room in your place feel like the best version of itself. Alright, folks, we have reached the end of our light filled journey. Hope you got some bright ideas on turning your home into a cozy oasis. Remember, lights are not just about brightness, they are about creating vibes. So grab your favorite lights, whether it is fairy lights, bulbs, or anything in between, and let's make your space feel like a warm hug. If you found these tips helpful, give that like